Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can view who has access to your Google Drive files. So here I've already on my Google Drive, and this is my drive. So these are the files that I created and uploaded by me. And as you guys can see, this is personal, but on this if you have like this icon, so that means that it is shared files or it is used by multiple users. So if you want to see who has the access on this file, you can just right click on the file and go to the share button in here, then click on the share again. After that, there will be this pop-up box that will show you who has access into the file on my Google Drive. You can see there's two person with the access, and me as the owner and the other one as the editor. So when you're done, you can just click on done, and that's it. But if you want to see who has access on the the file that's shared with you, I don't know if you can do that. So let's try. For example, I'm going to just right click on it, click on share again. So I cannot see who has access on this file because the owner is not me. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.